Example 12, question A. The size of each interior angle of a regular n-sided polygon is half that of each interior angle, and find the value of n. So let's look at the question and then change the questions into the symbol you know. So that means, for example, the size of each exterior angle of n-sided polygon actually does describing one angle. So it is equal, the angle sum it is 360 degree, and then since there are n angles together, so you divide this angle by n, okay, and then is means equal, and then half means 1/2. That's of means times. That's of each interior angle. So interior angle, you need to remember the equation is n minus 2 and then times 118 degree. This is the angle sum of polygon, and since it is the n-sided shape, so you need to divide this value by n. So this is the equation you need. After you know how these equations come from, you need to know how to present your answer. So the presentation is like you're going to find out sum of exterior angles of an n-sided polygon, which is always equal to 360 degree. And remember, you need to write down the reason. And after that, you can calculate each one of the angle. So the total angle is n, so that means 360 divided by n, and you can get the answer. And then for sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon, it is equal to the equation you need to remember. And then each interior angle is like the one you have done before, divided by n. Okay, so the relation of the two equations is already given in the questions. So according to the question, you can write down this one and then do it step by step, then you can get the answer. And I think you need to know some skills of solving equations. So for example, if you see n over here and the n also on the right hand side, and if it is multiplication relation, that means there is no addition or subtraction, then you can just cancel the n on the left hand side and right hand side. And then this 2 and this 118 degree can be cancelled as well, so it left 19 degree. And then the next step, you can simplify and rewrite the equation. And then the next step is put 90 to the right hand side and make it be division. So 360 divided by 90, then it is 4, and then you can solve the answer. By looking at question B, let A, B, C, D be 4 consecutive vertices of the regular n-sided polygon stated in A. If A, B, and DC are produced to meet as X, what kind of triangle is triangle BCX? Explain your answer. And then that means you need to have a picture in your mind. And in question A, you have just calculate the value of n is equal to 6. So you need to draw a hexagon, and it should be a regular hexagon. Draw it out, and then states that A, B, C, and D correspondingly to be the 4 consecutive vertices. So the first one, A over here, and then followed by B, and then C, and then D. And you will have a kind of shape like this. And according to the question as well, if A, B, and DC are produced to meet at X, so AB produced, that means it is extended, the line extend like this. And DC also in this direction extend to X. And you will find that this two lines, this line and this line will intersect at one point, and this point is X. And the question on top, actually it is describing this picture. Okay, so after you have the picture, it is easier for you to find out what it is asking about. And the question is asking about the triangle. So this triangle, it is asking about what kind of triangle is this one. And actually you have just learned maybe two kind or more than two kind, but the special kind is the first one isosceles, and then the second one is equilateral triangles. So what you need to do is find out the angle. It helps you to find out the property or what kind of the angle is it. So after you know that is a regular hexagon, that means you can find out each exterior angle by using 360 degrees divided by 6 to find out one of the angle, which is equal to 60 degrees. So that means over here, all the exterior angle of the polygon, this one and this one, both are equal to 60 degrees. Okay, and then after that, you can find out the angle sum of triangle by looking at this triangle. Using angle sum of triangle, then you can find out this angle as well, and you will find out that the angle is also equal to 60 degrees. And therefore, the conclusion is three angles equal, and that means three sides equal. That is the property of equilateral triangles. And then you can conclude that a triangle BCX is an equilateral triangle.